Nyoka, Musango, a song by Thomas Mapfumo. In this song, Thomas Mapfumo once again proved that he is the master of political commentary, which sometimes is laced with satire. The song Nyoka Musango is a satirical commentary describing those who abuse other people's rights, including the naysayers who stab others in the back. The song was released soon after independence. We are not sure yet when it was actually penned, but it wouldn't be far from the truth if we assume that it was penned during the struggle for independence. During that time, singing any sort of political commentary was outlawed and was a sure passport to a jail cell. Mukanya, as he is affectionately known, started singing in parables, which meant that the message was disseminated far and wide without detection. It would be hard for anyone to prove that a song with a simple tagline of Nyoka Musango is a serious challenge to the regime that was in charge before independence. The song is so artistic in its simplistic nature of its lyrics while it's carrying a heavy message. It could also be argued in good measure that this song was a call to action for the people to fight for their rights, which were being trampled upon during this era. The emotions that were stirred by this song are something to behold. We do not normally comment on instrument arrangements, but this song's instrumentation is awesome and a pure gem. The way all the various instruments were interwoven in unison, producing a sound with the greatest quality that was way ahead of its time. Enjoy this song Nyoka Musango by Thomas Mapfumo.